Hello everyone and welcome back to Mrs. Mess Hall. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Korean beef and homemade egg rolls. So we're going to start by making our white rice, and we're going to just do 2 cups of rice and 2.5 cups of water. So this can go in a baking dish, and we're just going to go ahead and cover it, and it's going to go into the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Now we're going to go ahead and get our oil ready for our egg rolls. So you want to fill the pot 75% of the way up, and we're just going to put it on low heat to get the oil started. Now we're going to make our filling for our egg rolls, and we're going to start with carrots and cabbage. And we're just going to go ahead and shred the cabbage pretty thinly. That way you don't get giant chunks. Then I also like to add some green onions into our filling, so we're just going to thinly slice these, and I used 4 green onions total. So these egg rolls will be pork filled, so we're going to take a pound of ground pork and then season it. And once we have all of our seasonings in there, we're just going to add some salt and pepper and then mix everything together. Once we're ready to start cooking our pork, we're going to put some sesame oil in a cast iron, let it heat up, and then add our pork mixture into the pan. I used a potato masher to kind of mash up the pork a little bit. You want finer ground chunks of pork once it's finished cooking. Now we're going to roll our egg rolls. So we're going to put a little bit of pork and then a little bit of our vegetable mixture. And the trick to rolling egg rolls is you want to have it laid out like I do, like a diamond, and then we're going to wet the top edges of the egg roll wrapper, and you're kind of going to roll it like a burrito. So we're going to start with the bottom end, fold in the sides, and then roll all the way to the top. And you want to make sure that the top is sealed. That's what the water is going to do. The water is going to seal the egg roll shut. Rolls rolled, we're going to go ahead and mince 3 tablespoons of ginger. This is going to be for our actual Korean beef now. So once we have that mixed, we're going to add some sesame oil back to our cast iron pan, 2 pounds of ground beef, granulated garlic, red pepper flakes, our mixed ginger. Then we're going to go ahead, same process as before with the potato masher. Then we're going to add in some brown sugar just for some sweetness. Next, some soy sauce, then hoisin sauce and sriracha. And if you are a spice fiend, you can totally add either more red pepper flakes or more sriracha, just depending on how spicy you like your own food. Then we're going to add in the sesame seeds and green onions just for a little color and garnish. Next, we're going to fry our egg rolls. So you want to make sure that the oil's hot, and only add 1 at a time to start to make sure that your oil level isn't too high. Otherwise it will overflow and you can start a grease fire, and that can be dangerous, so don't do that. Well, I hope you guys liked my video. This is honestly one of my favorite dinners. If I can't think of anything else to make, this is honestly what I make. It's quick, it's easy. You just put the rice in the oven and get everything ready while the rice is cooking. This video, please check out my channel and subscribe for new videos weekly. Thanks guys.